My gosh, you're so very young. Where are you from? Ah, you're from India. That's nice place. Hey, talk to me. Why are you reading book? You can read book in your free time. Yeah, it's my free time now. This is my only free time. I don't have any other free time. That's why I'm reading books today. Yes, Bharat. What time is it in India right now? What time is it in India? 6:15 p.m. It's 8:45 p.m. here in Philippines. Yeah. Did you eat already your dinner? Barat, you eat your dinner already? Yes, I already ate my dinner. You should eat your dinner because it's dinner time in your place. What did you have for dinner? I ate chicken and rice. How about you? What you are going to eat? Your dinner time is around what's that? 8:30. Oh, where you will eat? You will eat at your home or you will eat outside? I'm also going to have a rice with what's that? What's dal? Not familiar. Not familiar to me. Mm. Ah, it's a very nutritious liquid. It's good to know that it's a